quick one. Do you have outlets in your house that are loose? Maybe they're wobbling a little bit. That's a pretty simple fix. Let me grab a couple tools. Most of the time it's just a loose screw fitting in here. It's pretty simple. Now, you want to be careful when you do this, obviously. It's not the cover plate that's loose, it's the outlet itself. So we're going to remove the cover plate. And this usually just happens from constant unplugging and replugging and all this stuff, because you're pulling stuff in and out of the wall, like for example phone chargers, in, out, and it's constantly moving the outlet. So obviously if you don't feel comfortable doing this, don't do it. And if you want to shut off the breaker, you can. However, I'm not really doing anything with the wiring, so it's not really super necessary. But you're just going to snug it up. See, that one was really loose. Went in there pretty good. Then you're just going to put your cover plate back on. And yeah, there it goes. So, then just take your flathead, snug it up. Don't over tighten this, it's only plastic. It's very thin, so just be careful. Only use a manual screwdriver for the plate. The outlet itself, that's a little different. It's stronger, but for the plate, I would use the screwdriver. So, as you can see, I'm plugging it in, it's not moving. Simple fix. Now, once in a great while, you'll have outlets that will sink into the wall when you tighten them. And if that's the case, you can get these plastic outlet spacers. I don't have any to show you, but just type in on Amazon or wherever, you know, electrical outlet spacers or something like that. And they're usually these like little plastic things that go in between the outlet bracket and the wall. And usually when they sink in like that, the electrical box is put too far back into the wall, whoever wired the house. And usually those little plastic things are just a few dollars for, you know, a pack of 20 of them or something like that, or however many you need. But most of the time, it's very simple, just like this. So, there you go. Hope that was helpful.